Good day, class. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss all about breaking apart text and even distribute to layers. In order to animate text or to add some special effects, always remember it is important to use break apart text. Well, the reason for this is that text in Flash is treated as a special element from symbols and vector content. So by the use of break apart, it will show you different types of animation. So let's start. First, let's have our text. I have here the text tool. Type here my name. Now, let me resize this. So if you want to change the font style, you know already where to move inside the properties. So again, if you want, let me check first my text tool, and then you will notice here in my properties, I can set it here. So don't forget to highlight it first, then select what kind of style of your text. For example, this one, and then resize it, say 100 to make it big. Now, in this moment, you will see that this text is again our group. So for us to be able to break this apart, we need to press Control B. If we're going to have a short recall of our past lesson, we are talking about bringing apart twice to make this text as an object. Using Control B once, it will just break it apart. So after breaking apart, you can just press right click, distribute the layers. So once I click distribute the layers, you will notice that your letters are in every layer here. So if you want to arrange it as you like, as long you know where is the first letter until the last letter. Now, example, I'm going to have an animation of my name. So I will just put it here. I want you to focus. My first letter is here. So again, if you want to move it, just to show you, F, this is my second letter. A, this the third letter. I, S, and A, L. So I can make it like that. So F, I move it already outside my first frame. Let's say in my second frame, okay, I will just click it here first, insert keyframe. Same as what we are doing for our animation. I will put it here. So right click, classic twin. You will see that my first letter is moving. So do the rest. Let me have it. Here, insert keyframe, classic twin. So first, let me just align it. Okay, let me just align. Let me remove it. Remove frames. What do I need to align it first so that I can see where to drop it? So here A, I will put it outside. Then I will move it from here. Insert keyframe. So I will combine them. I can use my keyboard. Basic twin. So again, my first is move your text. S is coming from outside. Insert keyframe. Complete my name. Basic twin. Again, put my letter outside, let's say down here. Use this. And then A. So for my A, so I move it first. Move twin. Okay, so this since this is my S, I will just align it. Okay. Twin. And for my A, it's a keyframe. My A here. Again, you can use your keyboard, arrow keys, classic twin, and my last letter L is from outside on this side. It's our keyframe, and then move to complete. Okay, so what I have here is my complete name. So, classic twin. Now, I will just use the playhead to see the animation. See it? No, so that's the effect of your break apart and distribute the layers. That in every text, you can animate it. Now, what if you want one by one? First, so therefore, you can have your A, since you already know the position, put it here. Okay, by the next one, I, put it here. S, let's put it here. So as you like, as long it will complete your name, and your L, I can put it here. Now, how come it will complete? It will disappear. So make sure that on this line, or I will put it here, highlight this, right click, insert keyframe altogether. Okay, so if you want, but one by one, click this one, move. This one, click, move. 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 So have your own style of animation. So see, F first, and then it will come together. Just press Control Enter to see the final movie. Okay. So if you want another kind of animation where it will move out from your stage, so you already know what to do. All you have to do is right click and put it outside. Right click, insert keyframe. This time, put it in different way. Insert keyframe, put it here. Insert keyframe. I use the bottom. Here I will use insert keyframe. Put S to move it up. Here, insert keyframe. Here. And my last letter, insert keyframe out here. Then classic twin. Or you can highlight all classic twin. So let's see. Control Enter. Okay. So that's how we use the break apart and distribute the layers. So it's your time to have your own activity and try this. Hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.